Text input fields are one of the most important components in any mobile app because they allow users to enter information such as names, email addresses, passwords, search terms, and other types of data. In this video, I'll show you how to configure a text input field in Thunkable so you can customize what users see and how they interact with it. Start by opening Thunkable in your web browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the project you want to edit and open it. This will take you to the main editor where you can view all the screens and components in your app. After the project loads, navigate to the screen that contains the text input field you want to configure. If your project already has elements on the screen, look for the text input component within the app preview area. Text input fields are typically used wherever users are expected to type information. Once you've found the text input field, click on it to select it. Selecting the component will make its settings available for editing. You'll notice that the Properties panel updates to show options specifically related to the selected text input field. Next, click on the text box settings and locate the area where you can modify its content and appearance. From here, you can change and edit various properties depending on your needs. For example, you can update the placeholder text, which is the text users see before they start typing. This can be useful for providing instructions such as enter your name, type your email address, or search here. You can also modify the displayed text if the field already contains content. This allows you to update existing values or create default text that appears when the app loads. As you make changes, you'll see the updates reflected within the editor. This makes it easy to preview how the text input field will appear to users without needing to leave the design screen. Configuring text input fields properly can improve the overall user experience of your app. Clear placeholder text helps users understand what information is expected, while properly labeled fields can make forms easier to complete and reduce confusion. Depending on your app's purpose, you may have multiple text input fields on the same screen. For example, a login screen might contain fields for a username and password, while a registration form could include fields for a name, email address, phone number, and other details. The same process can be used to configure each one individually. As you continue developing your app, take some time to review all text input fields and ensure their labels, placeholder text, and content align with the purpose of the screen. Small adjustments like these can make your application feel more polished and user-friendly. Once you're satisfied with the changes, save your project and preview the app to verify that the text input field appears exactly as intended. Testing the field yourself is always a good idea to make sure users will have a smooth experience when entering information. And that's how you can configure a text input field in Thunkable. Simply open your project, select the text input component, click the text box settings, and edit the content to match your app's requirements. With just a few clicks, you can customize how users interact with your app and make data entry more intuitive.